I just want a bagel. Let's go on a search for one. And Kyra, will you help us?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. Search. Spread the cream cheese. Spread the cream cheese on the bagel. Spread the cream cheese on your body. Spread. Good. Last one on your body. Speed this up. Go. Body. Spread. 2 more times. Woo. Oh, you're so slippery, Kyra.
You see that?
Go. Up. Hit it down. Last one. Roll it out. Let's go. Side, middle, side, middle. Eat your bagel. Good again. Present. Speed this up. Go. Hey. Eat your bagel. 4, 3, 2 more times. Back to the search now.
Did you find it? I can't find it.
Keep searching. Kyra didn't bring her contacts, so we're gonna have to help her.
Please.
Spread the cream cheese. Spread it on your body. My gosh. I spread jalapeno all over me. It's fresh. Go. Ratata. 2 more times. I'm tired. Head roll.
Where are the bagels? I was promised bagels.
We're going to find them, Kyra. Don't give up. Roll it out for the bagel. Let's practice. Eat it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last chance. Present your bagel. Speed it up. Go. Hey. Eat it. Yes, 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 yes. Spread. Last time. Go. Down your body. On your friend's body. Yes. Step touch. Get your life together. You've never acted so crazy for a little bit of gluten.
Just give me all the gluten. I'm not gluten-free anymore, I promise.
It's about to rain bagels, Kyra. Let's go. Step. Hey. There are bagels flying everywhere, but we won't settle for just any bagel. Search last time. Other way.
Someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe.
I think you found it.
Searching for you, babe.
Oh, your bagel's massive. Where have you been? Hopefully activebooty.com to shop all of our new mesh tee looks. We don't sell that, but we do sell all of this. If you want to follow Kyra Chate, you can do that on Instagram or any social media platform. If you want to do 16, 30-minute sweat sessions, we do them every single week, and I will end this now because clearly we are fighting.
We're gonna get bagels, guys. Don't be upset.